Hi everyone, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc. So today I wanted to give you a sneak peek into the last chance list for the September through December 2023 mini catalog, which is going to start on Tuesday, November 21st. So some of these deals are up to 40% off, and I just don't want you to miss those. And a lot of the items that are retiring, once those are sold out, they won't be brought back in. So if you see something you like, make sure you add it to your wish list and get on early Tuesday using my host code that's in the description to place your order. So let's get started. I would want to show you some of the things that are retiring. So first up is that Merry and Bright bundle, and that's the ornament stamp set with the little greetings there. I've got a couple other ones to show you with that, but this is my rainbow one. And then I've got a little sticky note here, and this is alerting us that the Melon Mambo and the Granny Apple Green foil sheets are going to be 10% off. You can see how much shimmer and shine those have to them. So I created these cards with that paper, and just really fun. Also from that same stamp and die set. Really pretty. Okay, so I also used the paper on these bright cards, and I hope these don't blind you here, but they are super duper shiny. This Christmas Tidings embossing folder, and you'll see this again in another card that I'm going to show you. This is 10% off in the sale. So I made 2 cards, and I actually used the foil sheets even as my card base and put another little ornament in there. You can see how pretty those are. So that's all from that suite. And then I've done a lot with the Festive and Fun stamp set. So it's not on sale, but I do have several samples here to show you. It is retiring, as well as the Merry, Bold, and Bright paper. So if you want that, make sure you add it to your order. Also, the iridescent ribbon will be retiring as well. So here's a few more stamp sets with that. I'm really happy that these little iridescent discs are going to remain on the carryover list. And here's another one. And one more. If you remember this one, it has the double-sided. This is part of my Festive and Fun class. I do still have a few of those class kits available on my website if you're interested in that. So if you buy the stamp set, you might want to go check out the class kit. And then this was a little slider card that I had showed on here. You can find a past video on that. A little fun fold card. I'll just close that. And yeah, both of these last 2 were in that class as well. There we go. All right. And then this stamp set is called Gift of Giving, and it is also retiring, but it used that Merry, Bold, and Bright paper, so I thought it coordinated well with this. This is also from the Gift of Giving, and you can see there's some foil on that one as well. And then we have another sale item here, and this is called Tiny Christmas Trees, and it is a die that cuts out all these tiny trees. And it's really cute because you can put a piece of paper behind that to showcase that. And of course, you could use all those little trees as part of your shaker card. That would be really cute. All right, I've got another stack here, so I'm not done. Like I said, I got a lot of cards to show you. So basically everything Halloween is going to be retiring. This particular, the Tricks and Treats, is really a great die set because it's got that cute little bag that you could really use for any occasion. And then here we go. Now the bats and ghost have sold out, so those are no longer available. But one thing that is available is the glow-in-the-dark paper. I didn't do any of my samples with it because we kept selling out of it, and I didn't want to tempt people when it wasn't available. But the glow-in-the-dark paper is available on the last chance list, and I believe it's 10% off. So if you want some of that for next year, make sure you grab it. And again, another Halloween, the Bag of Bones. I believe the Bag of Bones dies are on sale, so you might want to check that out if you're interested. Okay, one of the things I think will be really popular on the last chance list is the Abundant Beauty mask, and that's how the background here was created. So if you're interested in those, they are $10.50 and they create lots of great background patterns. Another stamp set that is going to go out, as well as the paper and the ribbon, is the Modern Garden. The oval punch is going to remain, but everything else you see here is going to be retiring. So here are two other ones. We did this one in our bingo class that we held last month. And one more here. That paper is just absolutely gorgeous and would be perfect for springtime also. All right, we got another sales sticky note. This is the Year to Celebrate stamp set, and this one is 30% off starting tomorrow. Then we have Curved Occasions, and I've got two here. I love the little roller skate. So if you want that, that is going to be retiring. And then the Warmest Heart stamp and dies. If you buy those separately, they're going to be 40% off. So that is a really cute little set. So if you like that Stanley Cup look or that little thermos look, this is a great set. And then finally, I have the Sending Cheer. Now, as most of you know, I have a class that I did on this, and the stamp set and the dies, if you purchase them individually, will be 40% off. So if you want that, make sure you order that early on Tuesday, or you can let me know and I can place the order for you. So I'm just going to show you all the samples we've got there. So these are some of the ones that we had in the Sending Cheer class, and I do still have a few of those kits available for purchase on my blog. This one also has that Christmas Tidings embossing folder that I showed you earlier in the video. And then I also did some jumbo tags for my downline, and this was a make and take class that they got to do, so this was their exclusive. And we've got a couple more there, and right there, and finally there. So I think that's a pretty big stack of cards that shows you everything that's going to be retiring. And so what that means is once those sell out, they are gone. That's it, no more. So if you want those, get them early. Use my host code, and I will send you a thank you in the mail for that. And if you have any questions about anything or need help with ordering, be sure to reach out. My email is melissa@thestampdoc.com. And thank you so much for watching.